In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into QuickBooks Online for the first time. Before we jump in, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and the email you want to use for your QuickBooks account. That will help the process go smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official QuickBooks Online website. You can type the name into your search bar and look for the official site from Intuit. A quick tip: check for the secure padlock icon in the address bar and avoid lookalike ads. Once you're on the home page, you're in the right place to begin. Next, click the Get Started button. This will launch QuickBooks' onboarding. You'll see a short series of questions about your business, like what you do or what you want to manage first. These questions help tailor your setup, but if you're just exploring, you can skip them for now and come back later. During this flow, you may also be prompted to sign in or create an account with your work email. Since this is your first time, follow the prompts to set up your account and keep your login details secure. As you proceed, you'll notice the option to try a 30-day free trial. Go ahead and open the trial to test drive the features without committing right away. The trial gives you access to the core tools you'll use day to day, like income and expense tracking, invoicing, and basic reporting. It's a great way to get a feel for the interface and see how QuickBooks fits into your workflow. If you're just evaluating, set a reminder near the end of the trial so you can make a clear decision before it renews. You'll also see a list of subscription options you can choose from. Take a moment to read each plan's description carefully. Consider what you actually need right now, how many users will log in, whether you need bill management, time tracking, advanced reporting, or inventory, and weigh those needs against your budget. Many people start with a plan that covers the essentials and then upgrade if their business grows and needs more features. Keep an eye on any monthly versus annual pricing differences and any promotional discounts. Remember, you can usually switch plans later, so don't feel pressured to overbuy on day one. Once you've completed these steps, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, you're ready to explore, get comfortable with the layout, and begin setting up your company details when you're ready. That's it, you've successfully logged into QuickBooks Online for the first time.